Double-hung windows are a classic and versatile choice for homeowners in Kendall. They offer convenience, ventilation, and timeless appeal, but like any part of your home, they don't last forever. Knowing when to replace your double-hung windows can save you money, improve your home's energy efficiency, and enhance its aesthetic. Here are 5 signs that it's time to make the switch. Drafts and poor insulation. Feeling a cold breeze near your windows in the winter or excessive heat during Kendall's sweltering summers is a clear sign your double-hung windows are no longer doing their job. Over time, seals around the windows can break down, and frames may warp, allowing air to leak in or out. This not only compromises your comfort but also drives up energy costs as your HVAC system works harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Replacing your windows with modern, energy-efficient options can significantly reduce these issues and save you money in the long term. Difficulty opening and closing. Double-hung windows should operate smoothly. If you find that yours stick, jam, or refuse to stay open, it may be due to wear and tear on the frame, sash, or hardware. This isn't just an inconvenience, it can also be a safety hazard, especially in emergency situations where you need quick access to escape routes. Modern replacement windows come with advanced materials and mechanisms that ensure easy, reliable operation. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your double-hung windows closely. Do you notice peeling paint, rotting wood, or signs of water damage? Kendall's humid climate and occasional storms can take a toll on older wooden windows, leading to rot and structural weakness. Even non-wooden windows can suffer from rust, corrosion, or cracks in the glass. Replacing damaged windows is crucial for maintaining your home's structural integrity and avoiding further damage to surrounding areas. Condensation between panes. If you see condensation or fogging between the panes of your double-hung windows, it's a telltale sign that the seal has failed. Double and triple pane windows rely on an airtight seal to trap insulating gas, such as argon, between the panes. When the seal is compromised, the insulating gas escapes, reducing the window's energy efficiency and causing moisture buildup. Replacement is the only way to restore the functionality of the window and prevent potential mold growth caused by trapped moisture. Outdated style or features. While functional issues often drive window replacement, aesthetics and modern convenience can also play a role. If your double-hung windows look dated or clash with your home's updated exterior, new windows can refresh your property's curb appeal. Modern double-hung windows come in various materials, finishes, and styles that can enhance your home's look while providing improved energy efficiency and noise reduction. Many newer models also feature advanced locking systems and easy-clean designs that make maintenance a breeze. Benefits of replacing your double-hung windows. When you decide to replace your old windows, you'll enjoy several benefits. Energy efficiency. Modern double-hung windows often include low-E glass coatings and insulated frames, reducing heat transfer and lowering energy bills. Enhanced comfort. Say goodbye to drafts and temperature fluctuations, as new windows create a more consistent indoor environment. Improved home value. New windows can boost your home's resale value and appeal to potential buyers. Better noise control. High-quality replacement windows help minimize outside noise, creating a quieter living space. Ease of use. Upgraded designs with smooth operation and easy clean features save time and effort. Why choose professional installation in Kendall? Replacing double-hung windows is an investment in your home's future, but proper installation is key to maximizing their benefits. Partnering with a local professional ensures your new windows are installed correctly and tailored to Kendall's unique climate. Professionals can guide you in choosing the best materials and styles for your home, ensuring a seamless installation process. Plus, many reputable companies offer warranties, giving you peace of mind. Ready to upgrade your windows? If your double-hung windows show any of these signs, it's time to consider a replacement. Investing in new windows enhances your home's energy efficiency, safety, and aesthetic appeal, all while providing long-term savings. Contact a trusted window replacement expert in Kendall today to explore your options and start enjoying the benefits of modern, high-quality double-hung windows.